Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Ooh, that's not center. Hey guys, there we go. Welcome back to my channel. So today is another plan with me in my Hobonichi Weeks Strawberry Latte Mega. And we will be using this kit from our newest collection called Summer Nights. And this kit is called Jungle, come on, focus. No, it won't. Jungle Vibes. And I will also be using these pens right here. And for today, after all this time, I am going back to my Marvi Ushida, and I will be using these two mild liner inspired markers. So if you'd like to know how my page will turn out, make sure to stay tuned until the end of the video. So let's start by taking a look at the kit that we have here. And this is Jungle Vibes option C. Jungle Vibes exists in 3 options, A, B, and C. And this is the one that I have for today. We have other options for the girl, different skin tone, and hair color. By the way, this is an oops kit because as you can see here, no you can't. As you can see here, there are dark splotches on the kit. So instead of throwing it away, I just thought that maybe I could just skip this one deco and use the other. So I'm sorry, this is not the most perfect kit that we will be using today, but I thought it'll do. Alright, so I'm just going to put all the pens away and let's get started. This kit has 2 pages. You have your date cover, your decorative strip, your checklist that's cut into 2. You also have your decos with the dots, and then the second page has your script stickers, your headers, as well as your bottom bars. So let's start first with the date covers or day covers. Here we go. So today is a Saturday, and I don't actually know a lot of things that are going to happen yet. There are some deadlines that I need to meet. Basically, Monday is the only day that I know what's going to happen. This is a little crooked, so I'm sorry. It's not very obvious that it's crooked, which is nice. By the way, this is printed in matte sticker paper. And I'm just going to put this decorative strip up top. Sometimes I put it beside the checklist and it'll make a little scene. But now I'm just putting it up top. I'm going to take my ruler, my trusty old ruler that you have seen all of my plan with me's. And then I'm going to switch it like this so that it's not going to show that side that I did not cut very well. And then I'm just going to take my scissors and snip off this little sticker that's hanging out. I'm just going to stick it right here. There you go, and it's looking really good already. And before I put down this, I'm going to take I'm going to take the left bottom bar and put it down here. And then I'm going to take her and maybe put her up here. Yeah, I didn't want to put her all the way up there. I'm going to put her down here, and that looks good. So she is in the center of the page, and it's beautiful. So now I'm going to go ahead and take this page, and this has my checklist. So let's see. Yes. So I'm going to just put this checklist over here. Last time I put the checklist on the side closest to the spine, and I'm not going to do that again. Oops, that's not aligned. I can tell. That's better. Okay, and that is what we have. And then for these last 2, I'm going to put it up here. And that looks good. Yes. So I'm going to take my header sticker. And then I'm going to put it up here so that I can write down what this is going to be. I should have put this over here, but I didn't. So yeah, it's going to stay there. The reason that I'm avoiding putting stickers down here is because my Hobonichi has gotten very chunky. Let me show you again. I think I've showed you this a few videos ago. There you go. And take a look at that. Take a look at how chunky that is. That is how it stands. It will not close. Okay. So let's go back. Oops. So I'm having trouble focusing today. Well, focusing the iPad today. So I'm sorry about that. I'm having to do things manually. So this is what we have, and then I'm gonna go ahead and take a deco. I think I'm gonna take Mr. Pineapple. Mr. Pineapple will go over here, and then I'm going to take a header sticker. Oh, and then I'm going to take, I think I can use the other Mr. Pineapple. Oh my gosh, yes. And then I'm gonna do this. I'm not very bothered by that blot. That's fine with me. And then I'm going to take Mr. Coconut Drink, put it over here. And then I'm going to take my script stickers now. And we're just going to put down all of the script stickers for now. I'm going to take Weekend and put it over Mr. Pineapple. No, not Mr. Pineapple, but Mr. Coconut. And then I'm going to take Goals. No, not yet. I'm going to take Today, and I'm going to put it up here. And then I'm going to take To Do. And then I'm going to put it down here. And then I'm going to take Notes, and I'm going to put it up here. Oh, before I do that, I would like to put down another Mr. Coconut. Mr. Coconut lives here. Forever and ever and ever. There you go. Sorry about the noise. That is my business partner. He's just hello. And then I'm going to take Pretty Flower Arrangement here, and then I'm going to put it over here. And then I'm going to put Goals down. Oh my gosh. Check that out. And then I have a bunch of dots that I will be putting on. Where do you want to put it? I don't really know. Okay, let's put it down here. So they have two colors. You have your yellow dots and green dots. And here you go. A little bit of info. This planner is my home planner. So let's move this because it's too close. So in my home planner, I just tracked down my schedule and some of the things to buy, places to go, people to see. But I also have my shop planner at the back of my Hobonichi Mega Weeks. And over here, that is where I plan my things to do for my shop. So those are two different things. So I'm actually using this one Hobonichi Weeks Mega as two Hobonichi Weeks, two regular ones. So now I'm going to take the last 4 deco. I think I'm going to put it 2 on weekend. No, I don't want to put it on weekend. There might be lots of things to do on weekends. And then put it over here by Notes. And just run it down. And all the decos, all the stickers have been put down. These are my empties. First page and second page. And it looks gorgeous. I am loving how this looks. So now I'm going to go ahead and build my page. And put it more at the center. And maybe I will just fast forward it. But before I do that, this is the pen that I will be using. This is the Marvi Ushida for drawing 0.4. And then I also have this faux mild liner. That's what it looks like. It looks exactly like a mild liner, only it's not as vibrant. And I have like a yellow green and then a yellow, which matches this kit super perfectly. So let's go ahead. are done. So this is what it looks like now. What I did is that I divided these two into different sections further. So actually a Hobonichi weeks looks small, but on busy days you can make it have enough space for everything that you need. It's just a matter of sectioning the pages. So this is my running to do. Oh no, not my running to do, but my day specific to dos. This is what's happening today, and these are if I have any deadlines or things that are happening that I need to be aware of. Like I do have a deadline on Monday. I think I have another deadline on the 30th. So all of those things will be on this page. And then down here, I have weekends. Weekends usually don't have any to-dos, but they are full of events, especially nowadays. I do have some time and school is out, so a lot of people have some time to hang out and stuff. So I am keeping my weekend a little bit clean for all of the family things. It's like all of these needs to be busy, and then here it's relaxing time. So here I have my running to-do list. So this to-do list is not as concise as this one because this is meant to be for to-do that can happen any day. It's not specific at all. And if I have notes about that to-do, it will all go on here as well. In contrast to this one is just all the notes that I need to write down and be aware of. Like if there are events that have a follow-up, then they all go here. It's just, general notes. And then here I have a to-buy list because I do have stuff going on and there are things that needs to be bought. And then I have a little track here. I took out the track script sticker in the kit already, but because I do not always use it. And then we also have thankful thoughts over here. Thankful thoughts over here. And then we have even an extra page here to write down maybe something motivational, something that makes me happy, or something that will be happening next week, something like that. I'm keeping this open for whatever needs to be written down. So this is my, this is my completed page. And I hope you like this video. If you did like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want some more planner videos, please subscribe to my channel. And also follow us in our social media. Our Instagram and Facebook page is paperjoyph. And our Facebook group is paperjoyph Planning World. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye-bye!